my broken pieces lie, wounds that whisper, shadows that won't die. I lift my hands, my spirit cries aloud. Come, Holy Spirit, come, wrap me in your wings. No doctor's hand, no earthly cure can mend. Only your breath, your fire can descend. Holy Spirit, fall like healing rain. Breathe your life into my every vein. God of wonders, let your power flow. You my comforter, make my body whole.